I'm at the Italianate Gardens in Scarborough, which has had an investment of £11 million so far, and I think there's more money to come from the Heritage Lottery, Heritage England, etc., and the National Lottery. Work's still going on, but this is one of the first bits which I'll now show you. And as you can see, it is popular with the general public who are walking around. This shows that the general public like colour. The knocking you can hear is workmen on the pavilion at the other end. Here we just swing round up the steps. We can see the pavilion at this end. We'll just go down the steps down to the bottom for a closer view for you. The gardens are sunk down these parts. A simple idea, all of which gives you a glimpse of what Wilton Park Italianate Gardens could become, given real leadership and people with vision. If you haven't got those two elements, then nothing will happen. See there, the gardens in Wilton have got a better advantage here. They've got a really beautiful fountain worth £5,000. Sorry about the knocking, but we can't do anything about that. This is a central feature. This is the other end of the Italianate Gardens. See the men working, knocking away, but there are a lot more going off on these cliffs. So there you have it. Over and out.